I think we're really good at helping the engineering and manufacturing industry. It's really important that you know your numbers. Costs can overrun, you can overrun on jobs, and your margin gets squeezed. If you're not tracking that throughout the year, then before you know it, the business might be growing, or maybe seem to be growing from a sales point of view, but actually you're making less money at the end of the day. So one client in particular had actually doubled their turnover, gone from £1.5 to £3 million, but their net profit was the same year on year. And it's because the margin had started to get hammered. So what we're looking at with them is how can we track that throughout the year. We moved on to zero, so they got up-to-date figures and we can track it month on month. Then try to drill down into what are the drivers behind it. And actually some of it was to do with overtime and capacity. So we started looking at planners from that perspective. Other parts of it were maybe the stock control or just jobs not being quoted for properly. So they started to look into the jobs, make sure they're getting quoted properly, getting systems in place for their estimating, and starting to take things off the managing director's desk as well so that the rest of the team can roll it out. So I improved their time that they had available rather than focusing on historic reporting. They were able to look forward and focus on growing the business. Also, give them a better idea as to understanding the numbers, just getting to the root of that problem, why they'd grown so much in turnover but hadn't seen that knock-on effect in the bottom line. So we estimate it's about a 500% return on investment on that piece of work alone. But there's also the added benefit of the increase in valuation should they sell, and we've done some tax planning so they're taking on more of what they earn. And that tax planning element in particular is going to be year on year, they're getting that return on investment. The client's delighted. First of all, we picked up on it and were able to stop the rot, as it were, because it could have easily kept on going or maybe discounting and taking on more jobs thinking that they're doing more work and so must be growing. We were able to move forward, make some changes within the business and continue to grow it.